Welcome. Sick of tossing and turning because of the summer heat? Check out our top 5 best cooling fans for sleeping. Our selection of fans range from quiet desktop fans to full-size floor fans, each designed to help you get a more peaceful sleep. Each fan helps circulate air to keep your room at a comfortable temperature even on the hottest summer nights. With multiple speed settings, oscillating options, and other features, you can customize your cooling experience to fit your needs. Pick up one of our top 5 best cooling fans for sleeping to ensure a comfortable and sound night of rest. Here are our top 5 picks. Number 1. ROWENTA Turbo Silence Extreme. Number 2. Be-Air Fortuna 20X Floor Fan. Number 3. LASKO Wind Curve Oscillating Tower Fan. Number 4. HONEYWELL QUIETSET Tower Fan and Mini Table Combo. Number 5. HONEYWELL Turbo Force Oscillating Table Fan. Please let us know which product you like most in the comments.